Hi guys, you are welcome to this video. Thank you for your support so far. So we have a question. This is continuation from our previous video, right? So this is quadratic equation, right? So we are looking at this equation that is saying 42 minus 15x minus 3x squared. If you should um, consider the previous video, this looks rearranged. We now want to say where is our A, where is our B, and where is our C. Just note that our A is positioned by the side of the power 2, right? You know that quadratic equation is an equation that has the highest power of 2, our variable. So our x is having A must be beside our 2. So that we'll not be confused on getting our A, C, and our B. In this place, this is our A, right? This is our B, and this is our C. So that let's solve this equation. So if we have this, we are looking for two numbers. To solve this, we are looking at 42, right, minus 15x minus 3x squared. We are looking for two numbers that can give us, which is m and n, that AC will be equals to mn, and then B will be equals to m plus n. That was what I explained last time. So what are the two numbers that can give us? We know our A is 3. We are looking for two numbers that can give us 3 minus 3 times 42 and then minus 15. Our minus 15 is our B. So we are looking for two numbers that can give us this. That is 1 minus 126 and then 15 minus 15. So what are two numbers that if we're multiplying it together, that is mn, that is when we multiply the two numbers to give us minus 126, and when we add those two numbers to give us minus 15. Let us try it. So how do we get it? Just in case you don't want to come and start racking your head on how to get it, look at a very way of getting it simply. So we're looking at 126. That is our big number. So let us get the multiples. What can multiply itself to give us 126? Or what can multiply two numbers that can multiply from the multiples? Let's divide this. The factors of 126. 2 going to 126 will give us 63, right? 3 going to 63 will give us 21. 3 going to 21 will give us 7. And 7 will only go. 7 going to 7 will give us 1. So that the multiple, so 2 times 3 times 3 times 7 will give us 126. So how do we manipulate these numbers to give us minus 15? Watch closely. We know that 3 times 7 will give us 21, right? 2 times 3 will give us what? 6. We know that if we manipulate these two numbers, we can get 15. How do we do that? This will be minus 21, and this will be plus 6. So that 6 minus 21 will give us minus 15. Hope you understand. When 6 will minus 21, that is the same thing as 21 minus 6. For those that did not understand, 21 minus 6 will still give us 15. But in this case, we want to have minus 5, minus 15. So our higher number, which is 21, will have the negative sign. So that when it is being manipulated with this lower number, we'll be having our negative sign. Hope you understand. So we now have two numbers, that is 6 and 21. So that we can write this to be 42 minus 21x plus 6x minus 3x squared. And if you remember in our previous video, we said, how do we manipulate the numbers in a way that we can get what we are looking for? So this place, we are going to get, how do we multiply this? The number that I know that I can multiply these things very well is so in this case now, I will strongly advise that we go for the lower number. That is this angle. We are going to factor this out, then factor out a factor, common factor, right? How do we factor? Let's look at this one critically. how do we factor these two numbers and put a number outside? The number that is common with the two of them is 3x. 3x. So that when 3x will times 2, it will give us 6x. 3x times 2 will give us 6x. Right? 3x times what will give us 3x squared? That is minus x. So 3x times minus x will give us 3x squared. So this thing, we are still going to replicate this bracket here and look for number that can give us this. So we still have 2 minus x. So what number can give us 42 when multiplied with 2? It is 21. 21 times 2 will give us 42. 21 times x will give us 21x. Do you understand that? So that this is minus, sorry, this is plus 3s, because plus 3s times minus 3 minus s will give us minus 3s squared. So this will now have 21 plus 3x. Then we take one of these brackets, which is 2 minus x. So this is now our final answer. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.
Please subscribe, like, and comment.